Russian blues are always eager to explore. And the bigger they get, the more ground they cover.
They're so cute,
At 8
kittens.
weeks old, the curious kittens can hardly be contained. But one kitten is always a few steps behind.
What are you so afraid
Actually, a
of?
whole flight behind. While Cosmo
Bzz,
ponders the
bzz.
stairs, his siblings are discovering yet another new room, the kitchen. When there's a special delivery,
Groceries.
Sisters Sputnik and
Why didn't I
Frederick
think
are
of
quick
that?
to investigate. Cosmo can hear something fun going on.
I see. Bzz, bzz.
And is it ever? The kitchen has become a kitten's paradise.
You do realize you're gonna pay for the groceries, right?
Unexpected
Kittens?
treasures. Back upstairs, Cosmo finally works up the courage to come down. But he shouldn't have dilly-dallied. Almost as quickly as it began, the party's over.
I see. Bzz, bzz.
Sputnik and Flash, along with the party favors, are carried away. Lucky for Cosmo, a few treasures were left behind. Over at the Ossicat's house, the 8-week-old kittens are paying a visit to their favorite babysitter.
Ooh, a
There's no
babysitter.
shortage of fun places to explore in her room. It's truly a magical room, where a whole other pack of Ossicats seem to live.
Easy there.